Now about fertilization. What is fertilization? Okay, so fertilization is actually the union of two gametes, okay, and form a zygote. This is called fertilization. Okay, one the another thing is the chemical signal attract. For example, fertilization may occur in other part of uterine. It does not occur in the uterus. If the where it degenerate, it reabsorb. Now another thing is the oocyte have secreted different chemicals that attract the sperm, okay, guide the capacitated sperm chemotaxics. Okay, for example, when the sperm enter into the vagina, when sperm enter into the vagina, sperm, for example, this is sperm, they enter to vagina. So where it move, where the oocyte and corona radiata and the follicular cell secrete different type of chemical chemoattractant. They attract the sperm toward itself due to the zygote form, and zygote due to the zygote form. Okay. Now another thing is the zona pellucida. The sperm, the oocyte have zona pellucida. Zona pellucida, when the sperm enter to the and first of all is the coronal radiata. I have shown everything that what type of what things is surrounded by the oocyte. Okay, so see here and we will talk about that what things degrade it. Okay, so this is the corona radiata layer. Another is the zona pellucida. Okay, when the zona pellucida, this is the plasma membrane of the oocyte. These three things. Now for example, if the sperm want to penetrate here, they release the enzyme, and this enzyme degrade the area and move inside. So how are these are the enzymes? The first is the acrosome release the hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase work on the corona radiata and then move easily. Actually, this process is occur after the capacitated, after the maturation of the sperm. So you have to remember this. And fertilization take or in 24 hour. Okay, when the sperm ovulation occur, it occurred, it take 24 hour time. Okay, now we will move one by one. The second layer is the zona pellucida. I have this is the corona radiata layer, corona radiata. After this, there is the zona pellucida. Zona pellucida, so the estrase enzyme and acrosin releases. Okay, acrosin releases and the sperm penetrate. This is called zona reaction. For example, this is the zona pellucida, and they come with here and they form with here, and they form a reaction. Due to this reaction, this is form a zona reaction occur here, and this zona, the sperm penetrate here, and there is a zona reaction occur. When the zona reaction occur, this is called zona reaction. Zona reaction is the penetration of the sperm through the zona estrase acrosin. These are releases. Okay, enzyme by cortical granule. There are also cortical enzyme are released. Zona pellucida become impermeable to other sperm. For example, when the zona reaction occur, after that, this is the zona pellucida. There is a corticals granules around these releases, and they close the zona pellucida layer. Okay, after that, no sperm will enter through the zona pellucida. If the first sperm enter to the zona pellucida, this is called zona reaction. Now the plasma membrane and the head fusion. The plasma membrane of the sperm fuse and the head fuses. Okay, head fuse with the plasma membrane. Now the second mitotic division complete in the oocyte. For example, when this is the oocyte and the sperm come here enter to the body, and after that the second mitotic division complete and the second polar body develop. This second polar body become degenerated, and then easily the reactions goes on. Okay, second mitotic division completed. Now the sperm mucus enlarges male pronucleus. Okay, sperm nucleus enlarges. When the sperm nucleus enlarge, there is a sperm nucleus. They enlarge, and that is called that is called male pronucleus when the sperm nucleus enlarges. Oocyte having a haploid pronucleus. For example, this is the oocyte, and oocyte have haploid nucleus. This is called otid body. Otid. Okay. When the both of them pronucleus are combined and they form a diploid number. Pronucleus combined and diploid number. This is called zygote. Okay, you have to remember this. Now see here that there is the corona radiated by hyaluronidase and zona pellucida by acrosin enzyme. Okay, after that the zona reaction occurs. Zona reaction, they make the zona pellucida impermeable to other sperms, etc. Okay, no, for example, the zona reaction occur, now other sperm cannot enter inside to the this. Okay, now this is the chromosome and the zygote, cleavage, spindle. Okay, now again here we tell about the early pregnancy factor. For example, if the pregnancy occur, how you can determine pregnancy form the basis of pregnancy test during first day of development. For example, during first day of development, if you do pregnancy test, this will become positive and you 22, 24 or after fertilization. Okay, now fertilization is the penetration of oocyte to complete the second mitotic region, restore the normal diploid number, result in variation of human species, determine chromosomal sex, and cause metabolic activation of otid and initiation of cleavage. For example, when otid convert into the zygote, after that the cleavage division occur. Cleavage is the, for example, this is the oocyte. They divided the cell divided inside them just like this. Okay, cell divided one by one. Okay, this is now the fertilization. So after that we will discuss the cleavage, what is the cleavage, etc. Okay.